Hey guys, I just got done flying the Syma X23. You're going to see the flight video here in a second. Man, very impressive. Flew great. The video, I just watched a little bit of the playback on the video. The video didn't look too bad. It even had sound. It handled great. I went up about 100 feet in the air. Didn't lose any bind, didn't lose any transmission. Yeah. This thing, it flies really nice. I can't recommend it enough. Syma X23W, that's a winner, that's for sure. All right guys, stay tuned for the flight video. All right guys, we're out here with the Syma X23W. Okay, the level calibration is down and to the left. Let's just start the video. Take off. Okay, so it's only got 2 rates. There's the roll. Check the yaw out. It's pretty fast. Flips are pretty good. Yeah, flies nice. He just keep making the same quadcopter, but just bigger. I still like the X20 the best, though. You know what I mean? The X20 to me is still the best one. It's still the most fun to fly, the X20. So I like the X20. I'm a X20 fan. But this flies really nice, guys. Really nice. It's really stable. Great for beginners for this, indoors. I'm a little worried about what the flight time's going to be with this battery. But it's just zipping along here. No hiccups at all. No hiccups at all. Let's check some punch out, which you know it's not going to be that hot, right? Actually, it's not that bad. I mean, that is not that bad for this thing. Trust me. It's decent. Very decent. I'm impressed. Yeah, this sucker's pretty quick. Look at that descent speed. Woo! Yeah, man, this is nice. This thing flies great, man. Great. Yeah, this thing's quick, man. Quick. Absolutely. Yeah, I recommend this, no doubt. I mean, this thing wasn't that much money. I think it was, I don't know, 35 bucks or something like that, 38 bucks. Yeah, it flies great. Let's see what the camera looks like and see what the video looks like. It's been going for almost 5 minutes already. And yeah, this thing handles beautifully. No complaints about this at all. Let me bring it in to see if the lights are flashing, because I'm thinking this battery's got to be giving up the ghost pretty soon. It doesn't have an indicator on the quad. Maybe I can wear the battery out with some flips. Now don't forget, this was the first charge on this battery, so. And the flips go in all directions too, so just so you know. That's about at least 80, 100 feet up. And it's still got the bind on it, so it's not like I'm not losing anything. The transmission signal's still good. Yeah, I could just tell by looking at that. Seeing the tennis court, I'm about 100 feet up there. So, yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, for this thing, that's great. Believe me. Starting to get a little dark. They'll be closing the park soon. Okay, the lights are flashing now. Okay, so the record time so far is 7:35. So I'm going to cut the video so I don't lose it. So we know we're getting about 8 minutes out of the battery. So that's what we'll put in there, is 8 minutes. Yeah, it flew real nice, guys. Real nice. I'm happy with it. That was the auto land. I didn't hit the button. That landed when it got to the low battery condition. So, yeah, man. Great. Absolutely nice as hell. Syma X23W. If the video looks decent, then it's pretty dang good. Even if it don't look decent, it still flies really nice. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.